today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Kit Affiliate. If you have been wanting to earn commissions by promoting Kit through affiliate marketing, this walkthrough will guide you from application to sharing your unique link. Take a moment to make sure you have a clear place to log in and check emails or notifications related to your application, because the approval step is important. First, go to the Kit Affiliate Program page. This is where you will start the process and find the application form. On screen, you should see an area that explains the program and gives you an option to apply. Click on the link or button that leads you to the application so you can begin providing the required information. Next, provide the needed information in the application, and then click Submit. The fields you see may ask for basic details about you and how you plan to promote Kit. As you fill it out, double-check that everything is accurate before you submit. This matters because your application review depends on the information you entered, and it helps prevent delays caused by missing or incorrect details. Once you are satisfied, click the Submit Application button to send your request. Now you will need to wait to be approved. After you submit the application, the team reviews it before granting access. During this waiting period, you can keep an eye out for any approval notification. If you are monitoring your inbox, make sure you check for any messages related to the application status. Approval is the gateway step, so do not move on to the partner tools until you have confirmed that you are accepted. Once you are approved, log into Partner Stack. This is the platform where your affiliate account is managed. When you log in, you should see a dashboard or an account area where you can set up your details. If you are prompted to confirm anything or update your access, complete those prompts so the account is ready to use. After you are logged in, set up your business profile. This part is important because it provides context about what you do and helps your affiliate presence look professional. Look for a section labeled Business Profile or similar wording and fill out the information requested. Take your time here, because a complete profile makes it easier to operate your affiliate activity smoothly. When your business profile information is ready, click Submit to finalize it. Submitting confirms that the profile changes are saved. If you do not see a confirmation message, refresh the page or check for an on-screen status indicator. The goal is to make sure your profile is actually submitted and recorded properly. Finally, place your unique affiliate link in the places where you share content. Your unique link is the key that tracks referrals back to you. You can use it in blog posts, social media, or email newsletters, depending on where your audience already is. Make sure the link is included in a way that matches your usual style and ensure it is visible where people can click or copy it. As you publish, keep an eye on performance through your Partner Stack tools so you can see how your promotions are performing. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.